Hello there, Nokia fans. Get ready, the beloved Nokia is making a sensational comeback. Remember the iconic Nokia 2100, the one known for its durability and simplicity? Well, it's returning in a brand new avatar, and this time, it's got 5G. Introducing the Nokia Minima 2100 5G, same vibe, new thrill. Friends, the Nokia Minima 2100 5G is not just a phone, it's an experience. It's for those who want a durable, powerful, and reliable smartphone. And the best part, it might just be the most affordable 5G phone on the market. Let's dive into its amazing features, price, and launch date. Here we go. Features of the Nokia Minima 2100 5G. Display. This phone is going to surprise you. It features a stunning 4.6-inch HD Plus LCD display. With a 21:9 aspect ratio, and Corning Gorilla Glass protection, this phone isn't just beautiful, it's tough. The 90Hz refresh rate makes it even smoother, whether you're scrolling or gaming. Camera setup. For camera lovers, this is a real treat. On the back, you get a triple camera setup, a 64-megapixel main sensor, an 8-megapixel second sensor, and a 5-megapixel third camera. You don't need an expensive phone for amazing shots anymore. And for all you selfie lovers, there's a powerful 12-megapixel front camera. Battery backup. Nokia's batteries have always been legendary, and this phone won't disappoint. It packs a powerful 5000 mAh battery that can last up to 4 days on a single charge. Yes, you heard that right, 4 days. And charging is a breeze with fast charging and a Type-C charging socket. Performance. This phone doesn't fall behind on performance either. It's expected to feature a Snapdragon 485G processor, making it ready for 5G connectivity. Plus, with Android 14, you'll get a smooth and modern user experience. Price and launch date. Now, let's talk about what you've all been waiting for. According to reports, the estimated price for the Nokia Minima 2100 5G could be as low as $99. Getting a 5G phone at such a low price is truly incredible. As for the launch, it's expected to be released by the end of 2025. So, folks, are you ready for this iconic phone's new avatar? Let us know in the comments.